I asked AI what is a fulfilled life in a Stoic sense. My next video is what is a fulfilled life according to Buddha. Okay, a fulfilled life in a Stoic sense is one that is lived in accordance with virtue and reason. Stoics believe that true happiness and fulfillment come from within, not from external circumstances. They emphasize the importance of cultivating virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Here are some key Stoic principles that contribute to a fulfilled life. Number 1, accepting what you cannot change. Stoics believe that many things in life are beyond our control. By accepting this, we can avoid unnecessary stress and focus on what we can influence. Number 2, living in the present moment. Stoics emphasize the importance of living fully in the present moment, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Number 3, practicing self-discipline. Self-discipline is essential for living a virtuous life. Stoics believe that by controlling your desires and impulses, we can achieve inner peace and fulfillment. Number 4, serving the greater good. Stoics believe that we should strive to continue to the well-being of others. By serving the greater good, we can find meaning and purpose in our lives. In essence, a fulfilled life, according to Stoicism, is one that is characterized by inner peace, resilience, and commitment to living a virtuous life. In Tagalog, ako po gusto ko po sana mag-share ng mga bagay-bagay na hindi tayo nagtuturo na to hate men, to hate women, to hate people. Yung balance lang, yung general, yung pwedeng pang general, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin some. Though people are different, they are unique and different in different areas. There is no one fits all concept or approach in life.